Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video we're going to draw Mega Glalie. Man, it sure is hot. I think I need a break. Why don't we start drawing Glalie's second form? Yep, like I've already mentioned before, we're going to draw Mega Glalie. Okay, so Glalie is known as the face Pokemon. He's an ice type. When it Mega evolves, its bottom jaw just cracks apart. Its bottom jaw just cracks. Okay, after that, it falls off and it exposes the rest of its jaw lining, which is really painful, actually, now to mention it. So anyways, when drawing Glalie, you must start with his eye. Then you just draw the rest of his horn. There we go. There we go. Now we just draw the jaw here. There we go. What was that? That looked like a firecracker. Okay. This is his body here. There's his ear. If you remember my video of me drawing Ironhide, then I would be really interested in driving in a vehicle that looks like his vehicle form, like my Uncle Paul. Now we just draw the bottom jaw, the one that is cracked and half missing. Thanks, Dad. Yep. Even this calls for a cold blizzard. There we go. There we go. There we go. And the last thing to do is draw his tongue. Oh, and one more thing. You just have to draw the last horn. Alexa, play Blizzard.
Blizzard, Dragon Ball Super Broly by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
And there we go. That's how you draw Mega Glalie. Awesome, right? So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And let me know what awesome Mega Evolved Pokemon you like next. Because, well, Mega Evolved Pokemon are awesome. And they're everywhere and they're never going to stop. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. This Mega Evolved Pokemon is one of my favorites.